In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Shopee coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Shopee coupon code. Right here, go to this website, which is called the Rapple Coupons. So as you can see right here, we have a list with some deals that we can use for some discounts. So let's say, for example, you want to get this 5% discount for any items. So all you need to do is just tap right here where it says view deal. Just tap on that button. So there is no code required for this one. So all you need to do is just select go to store. And after that, you'll be redirected to the website and the discount will be applied automatically. Going back to the main search right here, we have also this website, which is called voucher.nst.com. So right here, as you can see, we also have some promo codes and some deals that we can use for some discounts. So let's say, for example, you want to get this 25% discount on your first order. So all you need to do right here is just select the button where it says get this deal. So for this one, there is also no coupon code required. So all you need to do is just select the button, go to store. And after that, you'll be redirected to the website and the discount will be applied automatically. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.